Wish you a good evening for all the colleagues and team from HR, also the judges and Mr. Modita Sendanayake and the participants. So my topic has been given as a proposition. Social media is a helpful tool for the development of society. So what is social media? Social media is uh, uh, it is an interactive internet-based application where that everybody can get together and people can use it as a tool for to communicate. There are a lot of uses that we can get from the social media for the development of the society. Online communication can make face-to-face communications stronger, global friendship showering flourish, the friendships of uh, the people that we don't know. And also Facebook, if you take Facebook, over billion users are there. Now, if you take active members every day, daily, people who's involved in the Facebook are higher. If even social media, if you take applications, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp, WeChat. These are the social medias, for example, that I'm telling. Even if you have the restriction to share your home house events, that you can use the social media to share your emotions and happiness, everything, whatever the functions or the celebrations that you had, you can share it with your relations or friends abroad. Okay. Social media helps the development of online social networks by connecting the user profile with other individuals or groups. Now, so social media is it becomes a very useful news source, social tool, and it is a self presentational tool, health behavior changes and reinforcement tool. So we can take that as a effects on individual and collective memory, which can be shared within the social media for other friends and colleagues, the relations that can see. If you take social media, that will be helpful now.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Next, the first speaker from the opposing team, Tilini Tarangi. Zoom master, kindly pin the speaker, Tilini.
Done.
Tilini, can you see the shared screen?
Yes, Chatu.
Okay, you are audible too. Speaker, you may start now.
Your worth or development is not measured in likes, comments, not so followers on your social media, but in your ability to love, keep comments to yourself, take notes, and leads. With this beautiful quote about social media, good afternoon, all honorable judges and my dear proposition team members and my dear team members. As a team of the Southern region, we are here to conclude that opposition topic, social media is not a helpful tool for the development of the society. Before going to talk about each and this topic in a brief manner, I would like to concentrate my topic concentrate on the keywords on my topic. First, what is the social media? Social media is the interactive technology that allows people to sharing, creation, exchange of information, ideas, or the interest and other forms of expression via virtual communities and also the network. When we consider the Sri Lankan context, 7.9 million Sri Lankan, it is out of, as a percentage, 36.8 of population Sri Lankan are using at least one type of social media app. Social medias are Facebook, YouTube, Messenger, Instagram, WeChat. These are the main social media apps. Next keyword is helpful tool. What is the meaning of helpful tool? Something that helps to particular activities do an easy way or do a particular activities in a very effective and efficient way. We call it as a helpful tool. The most important keyword is society. What is the meaning of society? Society is a group of people, 1, 2, 3 or more people. It's a group of people who lives together in a particular social system and also the same political authority, dominant culture and expectation. So our basement or our base or the foundation of the debate is mainly focused on the development of the society. Whole debate will go through the foundation. So we are considered that development of the society is a qualitative changes in the structure of the system, well-being of the each and every citizen of this society will be optimized if it is a helpful tool for the society people. If any people in a society physically or mentally affected by anything from that tool, we can't consider that tool as a powerful tool or a helpful tool for the development of the best society. My team members, when we conclude that privacy problem, family issues, health issues, likewise, many mentally problems will.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you. Second speaker from the proposing team, Praveena Premkumar. Master, can you pin Praveena?
Done.
Praveena, can you read out your name, please?
Pravina, you're muted.
Praveena, can you read out your name, please?
Yeah, Praveena here.
Okay, can you, okay, we can see you now. I hope you can see the shared screen, the Pan-Asia debate screen.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Speaker, you may start now.
Good afternoon all, and the judges as well. Actually, my opposition speaker one, she spoke about the social media. That she said nowadays it's in the negative way. Come to this point, nowadays kids who feel really self-conscious and nervous about being their true self in their school or home settings, who are struggling with depression or the anxiety but don't know how to talk about in their families and other friends, can find a particular strong sense of support from the safe anonymity of social media communities. So this is the way now when kids or the teenagers, sometimes they won't share with their parents. They only connect with the social media. So sometimes when they feel very bad, or they can share their the bad or the depression wave or something to their friends. Also, teens use social media to stay rooted in optimism and inspiration by posting something they are grateful for daily inspiration, like inspirational quotes or the images. They can motivate others as well with their motivational quotes. Nowadays, we can see WhatsApp status. Some of us are using WhatsApp status to motivate other people daily. We can see the motivational quotes like that. Some are using the hashtags. Nowadays, it's very trend using hashtags, and people that do something similar, they can follow. Also, nowadays, social media is reducing a communication barrier. Earlier, we don't have communication like WhatsApp or even this Viber. We don't have. Nowadays, who are far away from one country to another country, we can easily connect with them. Social network started as a place to connect with your friends. That means when we are at school time, nowadays we are missing our school days. So when we are feel we are missing, we can connect with the social media. We can use, nowadays we are forming groups in WhatsApp. We can forming groups and we easily connect with them. Whatever we want, like we can share with them. Also, it's nowadays it's the social media we are using in opportunities for the businesses. Businesses have noticed that the value of social networks in our life, because and they are using different techniques and promote their products.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. The second speaker from the opposing team, Pravini De Silva. Pravini, can you see the shared screen?
Chatu.
You. Speaker, you may start now.
Good afternoon, you all, respected judges and my dear colleagues. Here I confidently say that social media is not a helpful tool for the development society. If the society to be developed, all accept sides of economical, educational, cultural and political development must take place to develop through social networks. When talk about social media, it most familiar to young generation. You see Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn and YouTube, etc. act major role in interactive technology. As the first thing, I would like to emphasize that the social media should take the responsibility of making the social anxiety among the young generation. Not only anxiety, but also depression. They have lost their peaceful mind and relaxation due to overuse of social media. They mostly play video games and search indecent exposure videos and information through social media. Not only young generation, also adults waste their time with the social media. There is a strong link between social media and increased risks for depression, anxiety, sleep deprivation, loneliness, and suicidal thoughts. I have the simple example. This is the, I think you can see, this is the 14 years girl suicide because of the Facebook affairs. This is the another one. I think you can see. Further, the people lost their bonds between family relations and intimacy to the nature due to addicting to the social media. the society reduce reading habits and not use libraries. So, whereas the society developed, it increased the level of stress. Of course, that is not a secret. Mental alignments affect their works. The another trouble that created then shared by social media are spreading untrue information, false, misleading, or confusing online content. It can be harmful for the society thinking. On the other hand, social isolation is also another matter due to overusing of social media. Finally, online buying is the one of the another harmful matter in now. Some people create fake accounts, fake pages to sell their products with social media. Give false information to the customer and seize money through this. Customer can't see the reality and
Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate when 30 seconds left. Third speaker from the proposing team, Darshika Siva. Zoom master, kindly pin Darshika.
Done.
Darshika, can you repeat your name, please?
Dashika. I'm Dashika.
Okay. You can see the shared screen.
Yes.
Sir, you may start now.
Good afternoon to all. On behalf of my team, I talk about the social media is a helpful tool for the all development of the society. For that side, I have on my opposite team say in the social media is most familiar to the youngest one, but I say that social media is not only for the youngest one, that's also helpful for the older people in the older age groups. They can share their emotions or the feelings freely into the social medias easily. That another one that opposition said, there are fake accounts in the online banking access is most difficult to access in the social media. But when we go through that, in the social media, that easy to access the online bankings or the online transactions in the business world, it's short our time and we can transfer the funds or easy to make the payments or the transaction in quick at the time. And the socialization with the performance of the like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, how people socialize has been gently and renovated. It has been made easy to contact the family members, friends, and relatives on the real-time basis. When we family members, we can meet on the real time, but in the Facebook or Twitter, WhatsApp, we can share and the messages directly and show the express the feelings can easily. Then move to the business side. That social media is most advertising and promoters can access the cross-sell the products or the cross-sell the get the customers in the easy way in the social media. They can cross-sell, they can advise advertise their product and the productivity to improve the skills through the social media. For many professional skills and have been built in the learn through the social media, there are a message to increase the online learning where one's easily to learn the skill and build a strong profession around the. For the education side and the business and the socialization, the social media is much helpful to us. Not only for the youngsters, it's too much for the older sides of people.
Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Next up, speaker from the opposing team, Rajiv Keelanathan. Zoom master, can you pin Rajiv? Okay. Rajiv,
Done.
Rajiv, is the shared screen visible to you?
Yes.
Speaker, you may start now.
Good afternoon to the judges and my fellow colleagues. And why, I don't know why my open colleagues are emphasizing the wrong thing to the society that says that social media is betterment of the social development. I don't think. If you go through every news that circulates on the papers, it says the length of the harmful of the social media had been hampered to the society. Well, recently it has been exemplary experience, which the ongoing T20 match has been called won by the Pakistan, but one of the player who played for Indian team, Mohammad Sami, has been slammed by the social media in left and right. What happened to his impeccable reputation of the playmanship, the sportsmanship, the gamemanship, right? Everything is happening because of the social media. Not only that, the people who doesn't know anything, they are coming to the social media. They are coming to the social media. They are coming to the social media, and they want to give the specialized idea by their own, but it is not that true. So that would be the harmful for the society. So if you have some of the conscience, I'm pleading to the one of our colleagues in the opens also. Can you say this would be
Please post timing, please.
Of the society?
Timer, I think, did you post the timing? I think he's experiencing a network issue now.
Yes,
okay, yeah. Sure, that's fine. So let's give Rajiv 2 minutes time to rejoin. Rajiv, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, Rajiv, could you yeah. So start. Hello, Rajiv. Rajiv. Debate moderator. I think Rajiv is speaking, but I don't know how. Rajiv, could you please hear us?
Requested him to unmute.
Rajiv, we are speaking. Can you hear us? But we can't hear anything because you are muted.
You
are speaking for a long. Yes. We have to start the point that you was. I mean, we experienced a technical issue when you're talking about the points that were making about the social media. Could you please start from there? And timer, you can start.
Because even that on the social media, it says the scamming and the frauding and everything has been hampered by the social media. Even the people who have been logging into the system and we have been opposing to the opposing members also try to emphasize that is the social media is relatively good, but I don't think nobody will be agreed. Even my honor judges won't be agreed as with the conscience. So the things have been hampered by the society and the things have been hampered by the families. Everybody is not being accepted. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate the 30 seconds. Next up, fourth speaker from the proposing team, Pulendiran Skandababu. Master, can you pin Pulendiran, please?
Done.
Ms. Pulendiran, can you read out your name again, please?
Pulendiran Skandababu. Pulendiran Skandababu.
Sir, can you see the timing card, the shared screen?
Yeah, screen, but yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, you may start now.
The chairperson, honored judges, opponent team members, audience, and our team members. Good afternoon to everybody here. Today we are here in this debate representing the Northeast region of Pan Asia Bank to give our comments, views, and justifications to prove that the social media is an effective, helpful tool for the development of the society. It's 100% true. And there is no second way to deny this statement. Dear friends, I am here to say a few words about why it is a more effective tool and how it contributes to the development of our society. Here, informations and instructions are passed very quickly, and at the same time, it's attract to the attention of people very quick. Effective tool because quick informations are gathered or shared, and instruments are always available with the hands of the people at any given time. Hear and see things. Then and there, we see the event and we hear, both are happening at the same time. Example: when we hear, we forget. When we see, we remember. But when we do, we understand. Therefore, through social media, things are understood very easily and quickly, as you can hear and see things at the same time. Further, even bank state information, financial information of the bank or other companies could be easily gathered from the reliable source. That is, we are going to that particular website, and there we visit to that particular bank or company, and easily we can get the information from a reliable resource. Then, and then there are global and local informations are passed, shared, and gathered from the social media then and there. Everybody's hands, it's available. Now these devices and the instruments are always available, most of the people, hands of the most of the people. Further, if we have suspicious any informations regarding Facebook or whatever, immediately we can communicate with the other mode of social media network, and we can verify whether the false information, whatever is wrong, we can get the correct.
Let's have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds left. Thank you. Next up, fourth speaker from the opposing team, Priyankara Bandar. Zoom master, please ping Priyankara.
Yeah.
Priyankara, can you read out something? Can you read out your name, please?
Yeah, hello. I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, we can see, and you're audible too. Can you see the shared screen?
Yeah, I can see that.
And speaker, you may start now.
Good afternoon, the honorable judges, my opponent team, my team, and the other members who have participated to this debate. Today, I'll be talking about why social media is not a good source for the development of the society. As my previous opponent said, he was talking about like it is fast and it is reliable. But when we talking about the history and when we talking about today's present society, it was noted and it can be seen that social media is highly passing what you say, highly passing inaccurate details and inaccurate documents through social media. Further, we can see there are some technical issues when it comes to social media, technical issues. Also, the gossips will be passed through social media quickly, and when we talk about the information which you are passing through social media, this information can be hacked quickly by some other people. Also, the privacy problems also will be will be a big issue in this when using social media as a communication process. Further, when you're talking about that, when people get addicted to social media, they will be they will get depression, they will get addicted to this. Because of this, they will face few health problems as well. So further, when using social media, it is practically we can't give we get a negative feedback, and the security problem and privacy issues will be occurred when communicating to social media. Further, when we talk about the younger generation, most of the younger generation people in Sri Lanka, it's about 50% of the younger generation is addicted and is using social media. Further, my opponent said that the middle-aged individuals are not using social media, but it is not like that. In Sri Lanka, it is like 30% of the middle-aged people also are using social media as a tool of communication. So this is a very big problem which has occurred in the society. So when we talk about the things which I said, social media is not very important to the people to build up the society and for the development of the society. So all when we talk about all that things, it is highly.
Thank you. Let's have 30 seconds for judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. you. Next up, summary speaker of the opposing team, Tilini Tarangi. Zoom master, can you pin Tilini, please?
Done.
Can you repeat your name, please?
Tilini Tarangi.
You can see the timing card.
Yes.
Speaker, you may start now.
Good afternoon. Again, glad to talk with you all as a conclusion speech of our debate as an opposition team and southern team. Social media is not helpful tool for the development of communication. Am I correct or wrong? My dear proposition team, throughout the whole debate, you are ready to prove or you are ready to conclude that opinion. You are already talk about how social media helps to communication skill, how fast data is spread, likewise these things. But we have to talk about social media is not a helpful tool for the development of the society. So, as a team conclusion speech of the opposition team, I have to say that as a first speaker of our opposition team, I was given a clear, brief discussion about this topic by giving everyone each keywords. I was given very good definitions for the each and every keywords. That's mean we had to have better understand about what is the topic is. And also my team members my proposition team members enter into the debate without having any foundation. How you can build a debate without having foundation or base? We are clearly clarifying that what is our basement on foundation of the debate, that is development of the society, how affect development of the society by the social media. And my second team member clearly conclude that what are the example in current Sri Lankan situation, why we are telling about social media is not a helpful tool for the development of the society, because we are already saying that privacy problem, family issues, health problem, depression, finally suicidal thoughts, people enter into the suicidal thought using the social media. If a part of the people in this society adversely affected by the social media, how it can become a helpful tool for the development of the society. Throughout the whole debate, we are giving examples and all those things are factors and stats, and we are giving clear clarification regarding why we are telling that social media is not a helpful tool for the development of the society, because this is harmful to adversely affect to the one party of the society, to the people who are lives in the society. Then, my dear honorable judges, now it is concluded that social media is not a helpful tool for the development of the society because of our reasons, arguments, and
Thank you very much. Let's give 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Thank you very much. Next up, the summary speaker of the proposing team, Narasimhan Somasundaram. Zoom master, can we pin Narasimhan?
Done.
Narasimhan, can you see the shared screen?
Yes, I can see it. Okay. Good afternoon, all my colleagues and the participants and the judges. So I am giving a conclusion of our proposition team. I am very sad about our opposition team that they came up with the examples, but that is not required. Is what the thing which very simply I'm telling, the Zoom that we are using for this debate, it is a social media where bank is part of the society. So bank is getting benefit from this Zoom. So we are having a debate through the Zoom. So this is a development that we are doing. And also, if you take as an example, if we take that our bank as a part of society as an example, now from learning and development team that we have done such a lot of learnings, trainings in last year. When the corona pandemic was here, we were unable to go come to Colombo or meet in the person to person to do the training, but we have done all this through the Zoom. So it's very simple that I don't have to elaborate on this, because this is very obvious that social media is helpful to a helpful tool for the development of the society. Now, my other opposition team member, Pravini, has told about the Facebook, the harassments and then the bad about the pictures that were shared and about that. But too much of anything is not good. Now, if you drink too much of alcohol, it's not for your good health. Likewise, if you're getting addiction to the social media, while you're looking at now, don't use it too much. That's very simple. Now you are human. Humans have created this social media. Now, the last one I want to tell you that the government, when they want to take the decision, they're using this social media as a tool to get the analysis. Now, even our bank is using this social media as the marketing tool. Now, all the promotions are going through, our profits are coming through this social media. So you cannot just discourage or go into the unhelpful for the development of the society. This is development for the society. So I'm concluding with the confidence, this social media is helpful for development of the society. So this is my conclusion speech.
Thank you. Let us have 30 seconds for the judges. Timer, please indicate after 30 seconds. Let us now give 1 minute for the judges to complete the ballot sheets. Timer, please indicate after 1 minute as we come to the end of the debate number 2. Thank you. That's come to the end of the second debate. Fantastic job, everyone. The judges will sit